Hey Sherry 4x4, I have got a pre-owned Jeep Wrangler. It's an unlimited 4-door. It's a Rubicon, which is the top trim level, and on top of that, it's the ultimate off-road and sweetest looking on-road Jeep Wrangler out there with the Rocky Ridge K2 package on it. 3-inch suspension lift, 35-inch Mickey Thompsons on it. Just one really cool. Just got done driving it down the road, even took it down the interstate. Everything really drove out nice. Checked out really good. So yeah, let's start the review. So up top here, it's got the light bar across the top of the windshield there. Windshield looks good. I didn't notice any chips or anything like that. I always like to check that on these Jeep Wranglers because it's a flatter windshield. They're prone for that. Rock chips. Simulated vented hood. Rubicon. So the Rubicon's going to have a taller fender than the rest of your Wranglers, and it's going to be painted. That's going to allow for this bigger tire and wheel to come down here. So custom wheels on it. Again, 35-inch Mickey Thompson tires. The wheel size is 20-inch on this. Notice also back in there, it's got red Rocky Ridge brake calipers. Everything really looks good. It's got a winch up here with the synthetic rope. Also got a 20-inch light bar there. Aggressive tow hooks. This whole bumper assembly's been changed out by Rocky Ridge. Acts as really a big front protector here of all your coil springs and all that front suspension. Paint really looks good on this. I love the black. The black hard top's painted too. Other seats in here, really clean. Got the rubberized Jeep matting, wall outlet, USB outlet. 4 of them there. There's the defrosting and wiper on the rear window here. Does have towing receiver with the wiring, the 7-pin and the 4-pin. Got your spare tire back here, same size tire and wheel, which is always nice that it matches. One owner vehicle as well, low miles. Say 13,000, we'll double check when we get inside, but low miles. Got your Rubicon seats, leather seats, custom stitching. Rubberized mats up here, just like what we saw in the back. Yeah, 13,005 miles on it. No warning lights, automatic headlight control, power locks and mirrors, hands-free connectivity here for your cell phone. And then back here, there's some tuning for your radio. Your Jeep emblem, got cruise control, you got volume for your radio. The radio is a touchscreen 8.4-inch screen on this. Has Sirius XM, has Bluetooth capabilities, aux port, USB capabilities for your phone. You get into off-road apps that Jeep provides, this being a Rubicon. Got some really cool stuff off-roady there. And then you can get into, has factory navigation. And then has your backup camera. Down through here, there are buttons and knobs for the heat, air conditioning system, and the radio. You've got your heated seat, heated steering wheel buttons here, parking sensors. Down through here, you've got power windows, 12-volt power, media center, which is your USB and aux port. And then down here, this is what's unique to the Rubicon. You can unlock and lock in the rear differentials, or both. And you can also disconnect the front sway bar. That allows that front suspension to travel more. So you're going to do that when you're off-road. Again, that's exclusive to the Rubicon trim level. And then you got your auxiliary ports. That's where your lights and things are going to be hooked into. Automatic transmission. This is your transfer case to put it in 4-wheel drive. I always like to put my phone here. A couple beverage holders, keyless entry with remote start. All around really clean. It's got the removable hardtop up here, as you can see. This piece above my head will come off, and this piece above the driver's head will come off. Pulled up history report, shows just one owner, never been in an accident. We post these on our website, so make sure you check that out. Also, I'll post a link to our website to the finance page, so if you're interested in financing, you can do that right online, right from the device you're watching this on. Make sure you check out that sound bar above my head. That's really cool. Here's the off-road pages here. Pitch, roll, drivetrain. This has got the 4:1 Rock-Trac gear ratio. That's another thing exclusive to the Rubicon trim level. So it allows you that really torquey gear ratio there for when you are off-road and maybe climbing up a rock hill or something like that. So it's a cool deal. We've got a good selection of lifted Jeep Wranglers and pickup trucks. So if you have any questions in any of our inventory, feel free to contact us. And always, thanks for hanging out with me. If you like what you see, subscribe to our channel and you'll see some more. If you have any comments, just leave it down in the section below, and I always love to see that. Always makes my day. So thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.